netzero. The project aims to decentralize environmental, social, and governance disclosures in a transparent way for institutions. The objective of the demo is also to show how we connect this data, that is the greenhouse gas data, towards minting a specific tax token, which is called as a greenhouse tax token, as a corrective action and prevent institutions from polluting in specific geographical areas. The inspiration for this project comes from Sustainable Development Goals, which was put in place in 2015 by United Nations. We are specifically focused on climate action, where we talk about the impact of climate change due to greenhouse gases emissions, which has increased more than 50% since 1990. We quickly jump into our application. So the application is very basic. It can help you look up a specific location and get the pollution data for that specific location. It also helps you look at pollution data within a specific date range. And this is available without connecting a wallet. So this does not use a blockchain as such. But if the data needs to be immutable and the data needs to be captured for publishing, then we can capture the data and track the events as a request, single request, or to request and track. We have been systematically tracking some data historically over for various locations. So there are 3 specific locations in this place. And all we have to do is put in some latitude and longitude data, and it provides us with a full view of historical data that we've captured over a period of time. So this is for a location in China, where you can see that the air quality index, the nitrogen dioxide, the ozone, PM10 and PM2.5 values are very, very clearly indicated here. So this is being facilitated by nothing but all of the Chainlink infrastructure. So over here, we are using keepers. The Chainlink keepers connect with an external adapter that we've built, and it makes repeated calls every 5 minutes, as you can see from these intervals. So these are the contract IDs, which allow us to call these contracts at regular intervals. Once this information is called, what we do is we push this information into the ERC 1155 contract, which helps us mint tax tokens, which correlate to a specific geographic location. So for example, in this remix contract, which we've deployed on Kovan testnet, when we put in the same location coordinates and make a call to identify the ERC 1155 token, the token ID points to 1. So what that simply means is we can now go away and look at the balance of that specific token ID, and you can see that it's being constantly updated by using Chainlink keepers at regular intervals. The rest of the functionality that we aim to build would be more to help address controlling these pollution data. So once the greenhouse tax token is minted, it's stored by a monetary body, and this monitoring authority would have the right to look at that specific geographic location and the industrial pollution that is coming in that specific geographic location, and create specific offsets or fines which are required to be paid in order to establish net zero. So that's all from me, and that is the basic objective of what we try to do through our project using Chainlink infrastructure, external APIs, Chainlink node, and external adapters and keepers. Thank you so much.